Joy. I'll be explaining my implementation for Lab 5. Okay, now if I press this joystick button, it should start the number display. It's a bit finicky at sometimes. There we go. Looks like I accidentally froze it one more time. Okay, now that we're off to a good start, to test off the joystick behavior that I just tested right now, if I press it and hold down, it should freeze it. If I let go, that behavior doesn't change. If I press the button one more time, actually, it should restart the timer, even while I'm holding it. And even if I let go, it should still hold the same behavior as well. And now it's currently at 2 ticks every iteration, but those 2 ticks means 500 milliseconds, so it's incrementing every 1 second. If I increase the number of ticks to 4 by holding the joystick up, it instead increments every 2 seconds. And note, if I go down one more time, it'll go back down to 2 ticks or 1 second. And if I do it one more time, it'll go down to my lowest speed of 1 tick every iteration or half a second increments. Note that throughout all this, I could stop it, unfreeze it, raise it as so, or decrease it as so every time I want. Now to show my synchronous state implementation, the only notable things I can show here is num norm, which is my base state that constantly displays all the numbers and increments it using a count every iteration, which gets triggered every time it equals a certain amount of ticks, which is 1, 2, or 4. Numpause, of course, is used these states. The only difficulty I had about implementing the numpause or the holding feature is when it goes from hold to counting the variables again. I fixed that by using a C-flag variable, which I set to 1. And so since C-flag is not equal to 1 here, or rather C-flag is equal to 0 and not SW, even if I hold the button, it will never go to numpause afterwards by holding it down. Other than that, the num speed up and num speed down are self-explanatory and change my tick count variable. Other than that, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video.